Hey everybody, we're just doing a personal box break. Give me just a minute. I want to make sure Kara's watching. Alright, so here we go. We are doing a personal box break of 2017 Leaf Buyback Wrestling. Originally, we ordered a case of this, and they made 99 boxes of it, and this is number 99 right here. So I got cut back to 1. Hey Trey, how's it going? Hey Kara. So here we go. Good luck, Kara. 11 buyback autos in this box. Hopefully there's some good stuff in here. At the price point, really, I mean, for 11 on-card autos, this is a very affordable product if you're into wrestling. But let's see what we've got. There we go, nice start. That's an 87 Topps Ken Patera, the silver ink. I actually did some shows for him back in like the early 2000s. Cool guy. He doesn't mind drinking warm beer either. So I have a friend that'll be excited to see that one. And next up, Charmel. TNA Knockouts. Charmel and Booker in the card. It's got a little Leaf Authentic on the back. This one does too. Probably just like a little certificate of authenticity. So there you go, Ken Patera and then Charmel. Next up, the genius Lanny Poffo, brother of the Macho Man. This is, I think, 91 Classic. I won't be able to see the back of it. There you go, the genius. I've been seeing him a lot on WWE Network. I've been watching Primetime Wrestling a lot while I sort. All right, so here we go. The first three, the Genius, Charmel, and Ken Patera. Next up, Smash from the Demolition, another 91 Classic, a.k.a. Crusher Khrushchev, the Repo Man, and Cute Kip. Oh, that's Billy Gunn. Or wait. No, that's Billy Gunn. Okay, so I guess we're talking about this one. All right. Looks like she's grabbing a hold of him in places. Oh, nice one. Rick Martel. Hey, Dom, how's it going? Rick Martel. Looks like Tom Zink in the background. That's Johnny K9, who just passed away not too long ago. Convicted murderer. And Marty Jannetty from the Rockers. That'd be awesome if that was a dual auto. But Marty Jannetty, that's a cool one. I actually thought he was the better of the two back when these guys were in AWA. And the Honky Tonk Man. 87 Topps. That's cool. And Axe. So there you go. You got Smash and then Axe from the Demolition. Outback Jack. He was one, like, they hyped this guy up huge. I've actually been watching this time period on WWE Network on Primetime Wrestling here over the last several days, and yeah, they hyped this guy up huge. Then the bell had to ring, and awesome one to finish us off. The late great Bobby the Brain Heenan. It's like a 91 Classic. I think it's either 90 or 91 Classic, if I remember right. So Bobby the Brain Heenan. So let's do our auto recap here. not bad at all. I mean, at the price for 11 autos, Bobby the Brain Heenan, Outback Jack. I don't think I've ever seen an Outback Jack auto anywhere. Axe from the Demolition, and Smash. The Honky Tonk Man. Marty Jannetty. Rick Martel. Kind of Mickey Mantles his M's there a little bit. That actually, you know what? That looks a lot like Mantle, like the last name. Looks a lot like Mantle. Cute Kip. Again, I don't know who that is. I tried. I was never into TNA. The Genius. Charmel and Ken Patera. So that's cool. You know what? Maybe next year when this stuff comes out, I'll try to hoard a whole bunch of it. Like I'll pre-order a ton of it, because this makes for some fun little box breaks. Hey, thank you, Kara. I appreciate it. And guys, I'm going to sign off here. We'll be back in 8 minutes for Panini Preferred Football case number 3. That should be a good time. So whether you have a spot or not, be sure to join in. And I'll see you all in a little bit.